Hi, my name is Vikram Thakur and I'm the founder and director of the Aarambh School, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. We started our journey in 2012. It's been almost a decade now that we have started this journey. And similar time that we have associated with Eicher. We started with our first bus with Eicher and we now have a fleet of around 18 buses. All of them are Eicher. We are very proud to be associated with them and using their buses. So the school, the major challenge for us is, the safety of our children. Every parent wants their children to be safe. For us also, it is a very important responsibility that our children reaches home. And that's where, Eicher plays a very, very important role. And the kind of safety features that they come up with, the kind of build quality that they have, makes us, gives that confidence that our children are reaching home safely, their transport is very safe. That's where we are gaining the, trust of our parents. And this is only possible because of the kind of trust we have got from Eicher. So along with the safety of the buses, it's also very comfortable for children. In a city like Raipur, the travel time is slightly higher. So it becomes very important that while children are traveling, they are comfortable. So the kind of sitting space that they get, the space that they get for keeping their bags, the movement space and everything makes their journey very, very comfortable. They do not feel fatigueness. They are very comfortable when they reach home.
आइचर की बसों में सबसे अच्छी सुविधा ये है कि फायर सेफ्टी का बहुत अच्छा हुआ, एम बूस्टर लगा हुआ है और क्रूज कंट्रोल है, जिससे हमारे साल में डीजल का काफ़ी अच्छा बचत हो जाता है। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि इसमें हमारे आइचर को माई आइचर ऐप है, जिसके थ्रू हम अपनी सारी बसेस को देख सकते हैं कि बसें कितनी स्पीड पे चल रही हैं, कहाँ कौन से एरिया में हैं, चालू है कि बंद है, कितना उसमें डीजल है, ये सब चीज़ें हम पता कर सकते हैं।
इसमें कुछ भी थकान महसूस नहीं होता है। जैसे कि ड्यूटी ख़त्म करने के बाद घर जाता हूँ तो काफ़ी आरामदायक लगता है, क्योंकि इसमें लचीला बहुत अच्छा है। और सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा चीज़ है कि इसमें एडजस्टिंग सीट का बहुत ज़्यादा है। पावर स्टीयरिंग के साथ अप डाउन इसको कर सकते हैं स्टीयरिंग को। इसका लाइटिंग बहुत अच्छा है, स्पेस है, बहुत बड़ा है, ऊंचाई है, सामने देखने में चलने में कोई परेशानी नहीं होता है।
Eicher has always given us what we always looked for. The kind of trust that we have been able to develop with Eicher in the last 7-8 years has been just phenomenal. The safety, the comfort, the maintenance cost, the mileage, the services, the relationship with the organization has always been really, really immense, and we are really grateful to the Eicher for all the support, and we look forward that as the organization is growing, we keep growing with them and we have that association for a very longer period of time.